Hello English learners, and welcome to this week's English video lesson. For those of you who are new to the channel, I'm Carly from Learn English with Carly, and I'm so pleased that you could join us for this lesson today. As a language learner, I speak German and Spanish. I have always found phrasal verbs tricky to learn. A small change to the preposition changes the complete meaning of a verb. To help you with your learning of phrasal verbs in English, we are going to look at 5 phrasal verbs with by. I will provide you with real-life examples and you will learn how to use these common phrases to enhance your English understanding, writing and speaking. Today we will cover buy in, buy into, buy off, buy out, and buy up. At the end of the language presentation, there is a quiz for you to complete as you watch to help you practice what we have learnt today. Are you ready to begin? Then let's get started. Our first phrasal verb with buy today is buy in. This means to purchase supplies or stock and is often used for business purposes. Let's take a look at how we use this phrasal verb in everyday English in a variety of tenses. The restaurant buys in fresh produce every week. We should buy in some extra chairs and tables for the event. You'll notice that we always keep buy and the preposition together in our sentences, never separate them. Rachel suggested that the team buy in more coffee for the late night shifts. The manager decided to buy in winter clothing for the shop as the season approached. Tony was responsible for buying in the materials for the construction project. The committee had to buy in extra supplies for the charity event. The bakery will buy in fresh ingredients from local farms. The festival organisers will need to buy in supplies 4 months ahead of time. If you're enjoying this video and finding it useful, please feel free to share my channel with your friends and family. Thank you in advance. Our second phrasal verb with buy is buy into. This means to accept or support an idea or plan, often after some consideration. Some people are skeptical at first, but they eventually buy into the concept of online learning. Richard's grandparents don't buy into all that new age stuff. I recently saw an advert selling property in a very tropical destination. You can buy into a tropical dream for just as little as $500 a night. During the pandemic, many companies and employees really bought into the idea of working remotely. Donna bought into the philosophy of minimalism after reading several books on the topic. Sir Jim Ratcliffe tried to buy into Chelsea Football Club, but he was not accepted. Kieran didn't buy into the rumours circulating about the company. Have you ever bought into an idea or a plan? Tell me about it. If we buy off someone, then we persuade them to act in a certain way by offering them money or gifts. Let's see how we use it in everyday English. The gangster's friends bought off the police witness. The contractor tried to buy off the inspector to overlook the safety violations. The canvassers were accused of trying to buy off the voters with campaign donations. Ian attempted to buy off his opponents to secure the deal. The company was caught trying to buy off journalists to suppress the story. The CEO was accused of buying off whistleblowers. The blackmailer will have to be bought off or they'll ruin your reputation. A reminder that if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button now. I really appreciate it. Our fourth phrasal verb with buy is to buy out. This means to purchase someone's share or stake in a business. Large companies can easily buy out the shareholders of small companies. The larger corporation wants to buy out the smaller startup. The investor plans to buy out the remaining shares in the company. The company is looking to buy out its rivals to reduce competition. After years of working together, Gail decided to buy out her partner. The firm successfully bought out their competitor, increasing their market share. Patricia and Glenn were thrilled to buy out the lease on the property. Simon had to buy out his friend to take full control of the project. And our fifth phrasal verb with buy today is to buy up. This means to purchase a large quantity of something or to acquire control of something, often completely. Edward plans to buy up all the limited edition trainers when they're released. Clara wants to buy up every book in the series for her collection. The company is trying to buy up all the local competitors. The tech company began to buy up smaller startups to expand its product line. The investor aimed to buy up all the available properties in the area. The organization was eager to buy up the land for conservation purposes. We decided to buy up shares in the company while the price was low. Isla started to buy up vintage furniture for her new store. Okay, 5 phrasal verbs with buy. Buy in, buy into, buy off, buy out, and buy up. Now to our quiz. For the following 15 sentences, fill in the gaps with the correct preposition for our phrasal verbs with buy. So use either in, into, off, out, or up. I'll give you the answer after each question. Number 1. The supermarket needs to buy more organic products for its health-conscious customers. Correct. Here we need in, buy in. Number 2. After thorough research, they finally decided to buy the proposal for the new marketing strategy. That's right, we need to use into here. Number 3. The politician was accused of trying to buy the voters with promises of cash incentives. That's right, the answer here is off. Number 4. Mario plans to buy his partner's shares next year as part of his long-term strategy. That's right, out, buy out. Number 5. The real estate developer decided to buy several properties in the downtown area to increase her portfolio. The answer here is up, buy up. Number 6, they will buy enough supplies to last through the holiday season. That's right, the answer here is in. Number 7, it took a while, but eventually the team began to buy the idea of remote work. Into, buy into an idea. Number 8, the corrupt CEO tried to buy the journalist to keep quiet about the scandal. That's right, buy off. Number 9, after the successful launch, she decided to buy her co-founder to take full control of the business. Here you could use out or off, okay? Question 10. The investor has plans to buy all the available land around the lake for future development. Buy up. Number 11. We have to buy additional materials if we want to finish the project on time. Yes, here we need to use in, buy in. Number 12, the community was slow to buy the concept of renewable energy. Into, buy into. Number 13, Jake attempted to buy the whistleblower to prevent them from revealing the truth. Buy off the whistleblower. Number 14, they agreed to buy their competitor to eliminate market pressure. Buy out. And number 15, the company is looking to buy shares in any startup that shows promise. Excellent, buy up. How did you do? Let me know how well you did in our quiz. Please also let me know if you have any further questions about these 5 phrasal verbs by writing to me in the comments section below this video. I will reply to you. I hope that this English learning video has been useful to you today in helping you understand the meanings of these phrasal verbs with by, as well as teaching you how we use them in everyday English in a variety of different situations and contexts and tenses. Have a wonderful week, and I look forward to working with you again in our next English video lesson. See you soon. Bye.